Yo! Almost looks like a bag of poop. These are solenoids, VVT, and there's one more, I'm not sure what it's called. P0015, 16, 17. I constantly get those codes. I gotta go fix them. Gonna go do an oil change as well because the oil's gotta be clean if asked. They run about $23 at the Amazon, $35 at Advance Auto. I need it now. If I replace them, think my problem's gonna go away? I'm not sure. I had no choice, but I could have waited the next day. I'd rather get it now and do the job over. They're over $100 a piece. At least I got the parts. The job is going to be done. One step at a time, and we'll get it fixed. Oh man, I'm already sweating. And I gotta go do an oil change, a VVT intake, and out, and a camshaft solenoid. That's what I got. That's what I gotta go do. Now, I wanna just let you know, all this funds right here could have gotten me a GoPro Hero 12. How important is a GoPro Hero 12 versus these parts? Post down below. I want to hear your thoughts. $3.99, no subscription, $100 off at GoPro. You got it today. Now, I don't like doing work with new cameras like this. This is the intake. Which could be the intake? I'm not sure. Are there different sizes that go in here? Does that go there? And this one here, open this bad boy up. Gotta be replaced. Look at this, tabs. How do you open this up? 1, 2, 3. And this part here goes over here, right here. All made of plastic, just simply slides in there. It senses the temperature of the oil. Don't just try to put this bolt back. Make sure you put it in a safe spot so this way it doesn't fall into the top cover, valve cover. And simply do your best to snap it into place. And there you go. And lock it down. Don't you just love when I show my fingers in the way? All the sweat running down the face. Now, how do I know this goes here or there? Please tell me. I'm not 100% sure which one goes where anymore, because I've taken out both these parts. And here's in the bag. This is one. I think that one goes in the back. And this is the other. I think this one stays in the front. And they both are 100% identical in every single way. The only difference is, this is what's going to tell you how it goes. So this one here slides in, snaps into place, goes on like so, and then this goes on here. And the reason I could tell that is because that's a straight plug in, and the one back here goes to the side. That's how you tell. That's the only difference. One's a straight and the other's a right angle. It doesn't matter if it's an intake or outtake or whatever. Tying that bad boy down, tying this bad boy down, put on the sensor plugs, do one more, change the oil. I guess I did the job before, and DJI could finish shutting off, get back to the speed run. So here I am. I gotta get one more of these because I found the other one, which I did see, and that takes care of my VVT and camshaft solenoids. And off we go. You got your sunglasses on. I also gotta go get an air filter. I'm all done. And once I get my other part in, then I can start it up, clear the code, and continue on. The only thing I need to do, maybe order some NJK spark plugs, do it all up, a tune-up, and I'm all done, and head on out. And on that note, I'm done for the day. I'll catch you on many other videos to come. Briquettes, metal grate, barbecue. I don't like just having just the burner. If I turn the burner on, it works. If I turn this one on, and you see my hand almost got burnt. So this is broken. I do want to look underneath here, and that is burnt out. Look at that bad boy flame. So let's shut that off. How can we fix that? Now let me see if I can get this cover off. Take a look underneath here. Everything just basically broken off. I'm going to light it up one more time. Get my hands away. Ooh, baby, that's too much gas coming out for me. So that thing must be clogged and broken. That's not good. Well, these are hot and not warm. That's the end of this barbecue. I got a pair of prongs that I could use. And what I'm going to do is just use this side and this side. This side, say goodbye to. Well, I got this side to use now, rather than having this side, so this two sides. I think it's time to go get a Weber. Spend 500 and change, get a small one. Should do the trick. Have a great day. Barbecue, charbroil, you've seen better days.